Introducing the 2021 Ford Puma Titanium, the ultimate combination of style, comfort and safety. With a sleek white exterior and a powerful 1.0 litre engine, this MPV is sure to turn heads. Featuring a plethora of luxurious features such as ambient lighting, Bluetooth phone integration and satellite navigation, every drive will be a pleasure. Plus, with advanced safety systems like collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning, you can drive with peace of mind. Rest easy, knowing this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out, call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.